Are you stuck with the Vcomp120.dll missing error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to help you fix this crash right now. This DLL file is the Microsoft OpenMP Runtime Library for Visual Studio 2013. It enables applications to run code in parallel across multiple processors, improving performance for high-load tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The most reliable fix is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Visit the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 editions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run the installers to restore the missing file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Vcomp120 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like the Vcomp120.dll. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for the Vcomp120. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve your Microsoft Visual C++ dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.